God bless you, young person who is listening to this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. I would like you to take a moment to pause and reflect. 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 12 says, "Don't let anyone think less of you because you are young. Be an example to all believers in what you say, in the way you live, in your love, in your faith, and in your purity." Timothy was a young pastor. It would have been easy for an elder Christian to look down on him because he was young. He had to earn his respect of his elders by setting an example in his talk, in his life, in love, faith, and purity. Regardless of your age, God can use you. Whether you are young or old, don't think that your age is a handicap. Live so others can see Christ in you. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.